So, part 2 of our little adventure. I've come back to where I started originally on the track, and we're going to try and see if we can head down the other way. As I went up that way, and I did seem to come to a little bit of a, not so much a dead end, but it was just starting to get narrow, looking a bit ropey. I didn't really fancy carrying on. As of course I am on my own. There are other people out on the track, but you know, you never know. So just being careful, but common sense. It is absolutely gorgeous here, guys. Would be somewhere worth exploring a bit more on a cooler day. There are lots of tracks off, as I said. And this is quite a large green area for people to come and walk. As I said, there's tables, you can bring a picnic. You can walk, you can come on your bike. Great for family. Looks like we've got another vlogger in front. So I've been looking for this park for a long time, and just by chance happened to stumble upon it. So not another vlogger, on a conversation to a friend. And if of course you're on foot, you've got all this that you can go down and explore. And it's all, of course, flanked by the BENIDORM skyline. One side the high rises. Oops. Come back. Sorry, guys. You really wanted to look at the trees, didn't you? And the other side, we have the mountains. Moralets. You could be anywhere really down here. Wouldn't be surprised if you kept your eyes open. Maybe see a few lizards. And who knows? Possibly even a snake, I don't know. Small snake. It's wild enough out here. Warm enough. Lots of little crevices for them to hide in. I'm just having to go a bit slower here, a bit rockier. I'm picking up a lot of flies. Building work going on. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.